Hi friends, today we are making viral Indian baked tandoori paneer pasta, a TikTok-style baked pasta with juicy tomatoes, golden paneer, and a creamy masala sauce. It serves 4 servings and takes about 35 minutes, and it is perfect when you want big Indian flavor with very little hands-on work. First, a quick ingredient walkthrough. 2 cups cherry tomatoes bring sweetness, juiciness, and that viral baked sauce texture once they burst in the oven. 8 ounces paneer cubes give this pasta its Indian heart, with a firm creamy bite that turns golden at the edges as it bakes. 1 small red onion adds savory sweetness and soft texture after roasting. 3 cloves garlic build a warm base flavor that melts right into the tomatoes. 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger keeps the sauce bright, aromatic, and unmistakably Indian. 3 tablespoons neutral oil help the tomatoes blister, the spices bloom, and the paneer brown without overpowering the masala. 1 tablespoon tandoori masala is the shortcut to smoky, restaurant-style flavor in this baked pasta. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder gives the sauce a gorgeous red-orange color and a gentle heat. 2 teaspoons kosher salt season both the baked masala and the pasta water, so the whole dish tastes balanced. 12 ounces penne pasta hold the creamy tandoori sauce inside every little tube. 10 cups water give the pasta enough room to cook evenly before it joins the baked sauce. 1/2 cup heavy cream turns the roasted tomato masala into a silky, spoon-coating sauce. 1/4 cup chopped cilantro finishes the pasta with freshness and color. 1 tablespoon lemon juice brightens the creamy sauce at the end, so it tastes rich but not heavy. We begin by preheating the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, so the tomatoes can blister quickly and the paneer can get golden edges. Now that the oven is heating, add 2 cups cherry tomatoes to a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and spread them into an even layer. Add 1 small sliced red onion, 3 cloves garlic, and 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger around the tomatoes, keeping everything in one loose layer so it roasts instead of steaming. Next, add 8 ounces paneer cubes, spacing them between the tomatoes so some sides touch the hot pan and brown in the oven. Drizzle over 3 tablespoons neutral oil, then sprinkle on 1 tablespoon tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Toss everything gently right in the dish until the tomatoes and paneer are coated in the red-orange masala oil, then spread it back into an even layer. Bake the dish for 20 to 22 minutes, until the tomatoes burst, the onion softens, and the paneer has golden spots. While that bakes, bring 10 cups water to a boil in a deep pot, then stir in the remaining 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Add 12 ounces penne pasta to the boiling water and cook for about 10 minutes, until it is just tender but still has a little bite. Before draining, scoop out 1 cup of the starchy pasta water, then drain the penne well so it is ready to grab the baked masala sauce. When the baked pan is ready, pull it from the oven and press the burst tomatoes and garlic with the back of a spoon to make a chunky masala base around the paneer. Stir in 1/2 cup heavy cream and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, mixing until the roasted spices turn into a smooth creamy orange sauce. Add the drained penne and 1/2 cup reserved pasta water, then toss until every piece of pasta is coated in the creamy tandoori sauce. If the sauce looks tight, add the remaining 1/2 cup reserved pasta water and toss again until the pasta looks glossy and loose. Return the baking dish to the oven for 5 minutes, just to let the sauce cling to the penne and warm everything together. To close the cooking, sprinkle 1/4 cup chopped cilantro over the hot pasta, let it rest for 2 minutes, and it is ready to serve. And there it is, viral Indian baked tandoori paneer pasta, creamy, spicy, bright, and absolutely worth the TikTok hype. Serve it hot while the paneer is soft and the sauce is glossy. If you enjoyed this Indian baked pasta twist, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes.